What's the meaning of crotchless? Crotchless. Crotchless.
Crotchless. Crotchless. The term crotchless describes clothing that is designed in a way that eliminates fabric coverage over the genital area. This type of clothing is typically associated with lingerie or underwear, and is intended to be sexually provocative or erotic. The result of wearing or using crotchless clothing may vary depending on personal preferences and the situation, but it often implies a desire for increased sexual arousal or intimacy. It is important to note that the use of crotchless clothing or accessories should always be consensual and respectful towards all parties involved.